Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of tagging everyone on Facebook efficiently. Let's get started. First, please make sure that you have a professional account turned on. Then, all you've got to do is using the @mention feature. Now, let's start by composing our post on Facebook. Now, let's write something. Hi, how are you? And type symbol. After type everyone. Note that everyone is not a standard Facebook feature, but some users may choose to use it as a way to notify all friends or members of a group. As you can see, I have no options available of everyone because I don't have any followers or friends on my Facebook. If you have your friends and followers, then everyone option will pop up on your Facebook, and then you can simply tap on it and tag everyone. Finish composing your post and everyone mentioned using the @everyone tag will receive a notification. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.